In the previous video, we have shown you how to play Hamster Kombat game in Telegram. Now, in this video, we will show you how to get the daily combo to get 5 million coin in here. To get the 5 million coins, you need to pair the combo card here. There are 3 cards in here. In this case, I already solved the 2 cards. Now, for the last cards, in here, we have the NFT. Okay, based on our research, the third card is NFT collection. If we click or upgrade or unlock this card, our coin will add 5 millions in here. Let's see this works or not. Just click go ahead. Yay, the combo is complete. We can take the prize. You can see now our coin is more than 5 millions. In the next video, we will also update daily combo for this game Hamster Kombat. And you can see here, the daily combo will reset for this time. After the time is end, the daily combo will blank again and you need to resolve this list. Okay, you can get this list by upgrading on the market, on the PR team, or etc. Just update one by one until you find the 3 of this card. And that's all tutorial how to get daily combo on Hamster Kombat game. Hope this video helpful for you.